In today's boxing tips video, I'm going to be reviewing this particular speed ball, also giving some tips and tricks on how to use it if it's a new piece of equipment for yourself, so stay tuned to see more. Hi guys, Mike here and welcome to FitterFasterUK. In today's boxing tips video, I'm going to be reviewing a floor-to-the-ceiling ball, giving you some tips and tricks on how to use it if it's new. So this particular floor-to-the-ceiling ball, you can find at www.fitterfasteruk.co.uk, and basically it's a very good ball. It comes with some other straps which are designed for a specific height. So if you find yourself in an area where the straps aren't applicable because you are too low like ourselves in this particular space, you can remedy it with some bungee cords which you'll also find at the website, which you simply attach manually, and then the floor-to-ceiling ball can be set to any particular height and will work optimally with the particular bungee. So a review on the floor-to-ceiling ball. Obviously it's a very useful ball. It's a must-have in any boxer's toolkit. It will help work on your speed, your reflexes, your accuracy, your timing, and it's a very, very good thing to have, and we probably use it here daily, if not daily, every other day. It's used for a good part of the session on average, probably about 15% of the session. When working the bags, will fluctuate between this bag, the maze ball, the freestanding bag and the heavy bag, so we'll alternate each bag accordingly, but it is a must have in that arsenal. So I'll go back to the speed ball. If you've never used it, it can be a little bit tricky, so what I recommend is you simply just start just with a jab and the backhand. So start off simply jab, keep your hands high, nice and high, jab again, keep your hands high, jab again, and once you feel you've got the jab and you see the ball, just take a double jab, so jab and a jab, again, jab and a jab. Once you're happy with the double jab, try and triple the jabs. Then we've got jab, jab, jab. And if that's good enough, so jab, jab. Missed. Jab, jab, and a jab. Once you feel confident with your jab, you can now add a backhand. So you can simply just do a 1-2. So we've got a 1-2, nice and left. Again, a 1-2. Keep it simple. If you're a bit more of a confident fighter, you can work with your hands down. You can do a 1-2, keep your hands low. Remember to move your head. A 1-2. Don't forget to move the feet. Again, 1-2. Once you've mastered the 1-2, you can then take a double jab backhand. So we can use our hands side, backhand. Remember to move the head. Backhand, stick a jab on the end. Nice and easy. Again, if you feel like you want to work with your hands down, you can jab, 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 jab. And then just sort of free rein, whatever shots off you want. And that, folks, is the floor-to-ceiling ball. Again, very useful. Jump around, get the sweat on. It's a really, really, really useful piece of equipment. Let's say this one is attached with the floor-to-ceiling ball via some bungee cords. We go down to the floor. We can see we've got a clip and then a bracket which I allow to use these weights, so then it can simply be moved. It's not permanently attached to the ground, so it doesn't cause any problems. It can be clipped on, clipped off. If you see on the other videos we upload ourselves, you often see this bag hanging out of shot, out of the way. When it's needed, we clip it in place, go to work, take it out of place again with the maze ball. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave some feedback. If you're interested in the punch bag, follow the links in the description below. and see you soon.
As always, folks, take some time to click the links, find us on social media, and thanks for watching.